So we're gonna do unboxing of Christmas gift part 2. So after Christmas or after the holidays, I still receive these gifts from my students. So this one is from Jason 5-1. This is from Milan grade 2. This is from Barry and Boo. This is from Sun. This is from Ali. This is from Pukao. And this is from Miss Sally and her family. So Darlene, Mr. Bong and Miss Sally. Okay, let's unbox them. So basically this is cookies from Ali. So it's from Barry and Boo. I think this is some cookies. It says coffee, choco and coffee biscuits. Let's unwrap the rest of them. So from Ali, specifically says traditional choco cashew butter cookies. Let's have the one from Milan. Okay, let's open. Now this one is from the Chocolate Factory. Okay, so I think these are also some kind of cookies. Let's go for the next. Next one from Sun. I can see some pen. Let's open it. So there's a pen. Here's the pen. Nice. Let's put it back. And then what else? Oh, some hand sanitizer. It says lavender vanilla. Let's just put it back for now. There, it's from Sun. Now from Pukao, I wonder what this is. Oh, it's also a pen. A nice pen. It says multi-function hand spinner pen. Hand spinner. Oh, literally is a hand spinner pen. There. It spins. Okay, let's go for the next one. Just put it back for now. It's from Jason. Okay, so it's wrapped in something like a newspaper. Let's see what's inside. Oh, it's wood. Let's see. The struggle is really opening this one. Okay. Oh, so it is. What is it? Oh, it's also a pen. Look how beautiful is that. So nice, especially the box is so good. It's wood. It's so pretty. Now for the last one from Miss Sally and family. Let's take the card off. Okay, Naraya, and I think it's a bag, pouch. It's nice. It's nice. And that's it for unboxing of gifts part 2. See you next time. Bye.